I've only got 10 rounds, I'm going to use them wisely, I think. Does anyone know how much time we've got? No? Do you know how much time we've got, George? 10 points. I think we should just really charge for it. You know, the magazines are literally just round that corner. Why can they move but we can't? Is there nothing through here?
No, not here, no. All that stuff is at the opposite side.
We've not been able to move from it.
No. We've got niners and blues that way. Black and blues that way. We've got that way.
Come in here, I can't hear. Say that again.
Well, we're against mines, right? So if we can get the 1-9ers on our side, we can push around on the 1-9ers, take out the mines. We're not allowed through there.
We're not allowed, what, we're not allowed in this building?
Inside.
So we can't knock on the windows and distract them while you got wrong?
No, we get kicked out.
What's going on?
We're going to ceasefire, we're going to walk through.
Why?
Like I just said to you, we're going to push onto the mines, forget the 1-9ers. We want the mines. We want the mines.
Fair enough. So, yeah? Well, tell the others. Oh yeah, tell the others, because they don't know.
Tell them that we're friendly now.
Come on.
Before they start whacking them up.
Guys! 1-9ers are out!
We made a treaty with the 9ers. We made a treaty with the 9ers.
The 9ers are on outside, so don't shoot them. Black. Don't shoot black. Don't shoot black, they're on outside.
Blues are friendly this side.
What?
Blues are friendly this side.
We're the ones who want, we want the Mayans.
There's no way we can win, otherwise we just tit for tat.
We just made friends with the 9ers and you lot made friends with the Blues. Fucking hell, we just made friends with both sides. We're all going to go for the fucking Irish. Well, no, this lot were going to go for them, weren't they?
It would have been a double cross. Someone would have got carnage. Everyone would have shot.
We're the ones who made deals. We're the ones who double crossed them. They'll be shooting each other while we're friends with them. Oh. That nearly went really well. Really, we could have done it. I use enough. Oh look, the one thing I didn't want them to shoot, and they shot it. The bastards. Do you know what? It was one of these. I know it. It was one of them. I'm coming for you. I need to turn this off. I've recorded that whole thing.